Welcome back. In this section, we're going to introduce a new UI component in Android called ViewPager. ViewPager is a layout manager that allows the user to flip left and right through pages of data. It's mostly found in apps like YouTube, Snapchat, where the user shifts right and left to switch to a screen. Instead of using activities, fragments are used. It's also used to guide the user through the app when the user launches the app for the first time. So, a ViewPager is a UI component that allows the user to swipe left or right to navigate through a set of views or fragments. Let's move to Android Studio and start creating our ViewPager application. I created this empty views project called ViewPager application in Android Studio. The first step is to create fragments. I'll create 3 fragments. I'll start with fragment blank, and here I'll name it as fragment number 1. Select the source language Kotlin and the fragment layout name fragment_1. Click finish, and as we mentioned before, we only need the onCreate method. Also remove all of these codes. I'll start designing the fragment 1 layout. I'll go to split mode, and here I'll set the background of this fragment and give it this color hex code. Also for the text view, I'll increase the size of it and I'll make it as 32 SP, and here I'll replace it with fragment number 1. Again, I'll create another fragment, blank fragment. I'll name it as fragment number 2. Click finish, and here remove all of these codes, the onCreate and this companion object. Keep the onCreate view and remove all these codes, and open the fragment 2 layout file. Go to split mode and add the background. I'll use this color. This is fragment number 2. Increase the size, and this is good. Okay, so this is our fragment number 2. Again, create fragment number 3. Source language Kotlin and layout fragment_3. Remove these codes, companion object, and this is good. Go to fragment 3 layout, change the background color, and this color is good. Now I'll increase the size of this text view, 32 SP, and change it to third fragment, black, and this is good. We created these 3 fragments and we edited the layouts. Now let's move to the activity_main.xml file and let's learn about the ViewPager. I'll remove this text view and I'll add a ViewPager and select ViewPager2.widget.ViewPager2. The width is 0 dp because I'm going to match it with the constraints, or you can like match parent, and this is our ViewPager. Click on the infer constraints button, and here we go. This is our ViewPager. I'll give it an ID ViewPager2, and here how we create ViewPagers in our layout. A ViewPager is a UI component that allows the user to swipe left or right to navigate through a set of views or fragments. It's commonly used to implement horizontal scrolling views such as image galleries, slideshows, or tab-based interfaces. The ViewPager is part of the Android support library and later Android X, and is widely used for creating interactive and visually appealing user interfaces. So in general, the ViewPager is a layout manager that manages the arrangement and the presentation of child views, usually fragments, in a horizontal scrollable manner. It's typically used in conjunction with an adapter to provide the content for each page, and the user can navigate between pages by swiping left or right.